Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to autofill dates in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, in this video you will learn how to autofill dates, how to autofill current dates, now copy dates. Here you will see week commencing day means every Monday, and then how to fill weekends, then same day per every month, same day every year. Okay, so how to do this? So first you have to if you want to enter current dates, what you have to do, you have to press control and colon. Okay, control and colon in your keyboard, then you will see this is the current date. Okay, now if you want that this is 10th April, now 11th April, 12th April, 13th April, so what you have to do, you have to just put your cursor here. Okay, and then press and drag down. Okay, so you will see this is the 11th, 12th, 13th. Okay, now if you want that this to copy dates. Okay, if you want 10th April here, here, and here. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to, if you are using Windows, you have to press control and put your cursor here, then drag down. And if you are using Mac, so you have to press option in your keyboard. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just put your cursor here and drag down, so you can, like this you can copy. Now if you want to fill Mondays, every month Monday. Okay, Monday months every Monday. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first enter 2 Mondays here. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to select both of them. Okay, then put your cursor here. Now Excel will understand that the difference between these two numbers and then dates. Okay, then you have to drag this, so you will find every Monday of the year. Okay, then if you want to fill weekdays, what you have to do, like this. Now first fill current date and then drag it down here, then here you will see this. Okay, autofill option. Now what you have to do, you have to click here, and here you will see fill weekdays. Okay, just click on it and you will see this is the weekday of that month. Okay, now here what you have to do, you have to just fill a month, same day of every month. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just drag down from here to here, then you have to repeat the same, fill months. Okay, like this, then same day per year. So what you have to do, again you have to drag it from here, then you have to click here. Now fill years. Okay, so like this you can autofill dates in Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.